Hello, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. Yes, we are having a look at Kill Team Into the Dark. Holy moly. We've been talking about this one for a while. Everyone is pretty darn excited, and I am very curious to see what is in this box. A big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box for review and for, obviously getting, excited about stuff. And yeah, so Kill Team Into the Dark. Wow. It's finally here. So this video, as posting it, should be, everything's up for pre-order. And so everybody who's interested, there has already been, I'm sure, plenty of articles and such, describing what's in this box, rules, everything like that. So we're not really going to be too concerned with that kind of stuff. We are going to have a look at the sprues and basically the experience of the unboxing. Now, unfortunately, as I got this box, it was not wrapped in cellophane, typical of, packaging. Whatever reason, I have no idea. Not for me to question, so, whatever. Let's have a look at the back of the box. Holy man, this thing is huge. This is a big old box. This box contains Kill Team Core Book, Kill Team Into Dark Book, 10 six-sided dice, Kill Team Token Sheet, 2 decks of tactical operation cards, combat gauges, barricades. Also includes the game board and Into Dark Close Quarters terrain set. This lovely terrain. And I have speculated on, if these are going to be used in Necromunda and such, and I'm sure plenty of people, especially when this box, these parts all get separated and sold individually and such, I'm sure many people, especially of us who enjoy themselves some Necromunda, I'm sure they're going to be picking up this box for sure, or at least the terrain sets and such. Anyway, includes 24 Citadel miniatures, full Kroot Farstalker Kinband kill team, say that 10 times fast, 10 operatives and 2 Kroot hounds, full Imperial Navy Breacher kill teams, 10 operatives and 2 robotic support units. Very exciting. Man, the Kroot are just fantastic, and I've made a few commentaries. Oh, it is taped. Oh, look at that. I didn't notice that. So we'll grab our trusty rusty unboxing knife here. And I always say trusty rusty because this knife is not terribly sharp. I've had it for many years. Anyway, not the point. Focus, Chris. Let's have a look. So this box, for anybody who's curious about the box itself, it is, one of the big, larger boxes like we see for Necromunda and some other big releases, big box game stuff. And it's a heavy duty cardboard. It's not the open in the back kind of thing with the sleeve. And this is, man, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to open this. Yeah, man. It's got to get some air in there. Get some air moving around. Might have to cut this. Might have to cut this part just because it's not cooperating. Good grief. Is it still taped? Oh, I'm an idiot. It's still taped. I'm an idiot. It's taped on four sides, apparently. I only saw the 2, and I was wondering why it wasn't opening. All right, let's try that again. Unboxing, take 2. All right, so let's just dive in. Oh, it's still not going. Gotta use some muscles. Come on, muscles. See, the problem is so much air gets in there, or no air, and so it's a little vacuum and it closes the lid. But I'm sure many of you know that one. There we go. Jeez Louise. I think the tape's sticking to again as well. All right. Holy. Chocked full of sprues. So the first ones I'm going to have a look at here are the wall sections with us. This looks like the techno doodads. Yeah. Highly detailed, man. Yeah, I think this is like one of them corner bits. The way everything is kind of keyed. Yeah, sniff dust. Oh man, that smell. The smell of plastic in the morning. Pretty exciting. All right, next sprue. It is same sprue. Yeah, it's duplicate sprue of techno doodads. Looks like ammo cases and such. Panels, and I even like this one here with the broken cables and stuff. That's kind of cool too. Darn. The walls, this is the one I was really curious about because I was curious to see if these things are basically single cast, and they feel like single cast. Yes, they are. No assembly required other than the columns. Big chunky doors. Oof. Yeah, look at the walls. The walls are huge. I don't know if I can give you guys an idea how thick those walls are. That's the wall right there. So it's about as thick as a frame. That's about the best way I can describe that without, you know, actually pulling out other kits and showing you guys. Oh man, look at the details. Oh, even like this one here's got a little broken slat on there. Very, very cool. So we get a whole bunch of sprues with all these wall sections. We've got our sprue of the gauges and such. Very, very cool. It'd be nice if they updated those sprues and so. Ooh, this is for the breachers, I think. Okay, we'll save that one. Here's another wall section. It's got like the doors and such on it. These sprues are pretty heavy. It's a little bit reminiscent of the other Kill Team box, Maroc, where that had the Frontier set in it, where it had like big chunky pieces in it. That's what this reminds me of. Like, these sprues are heavy. If I was to, like, you know, whip this across the room, it would probably embed itself in the wall kind of thing. I don't know why anybody would do that, but I'm just saying, for an example. All right, so let's have a quick look at this little sprue here, which is for the Navy, Imperial Navy. You know what? Maybe we'll come in a little closer for some of these examinations. So I'll continue on here. We got the Kroot. Now with the Kroot, I was curious if they are, you know, going to be dual assembly. Basically, you can assemble them as Kroot or assemble them as the Kroot Kill Team. And it's looking a bit more like they are all individuals. It's not like the Void Scarred, the Eldari Void Scarred, the Corsairs. I was kind of thinking that maybe it was that, but I don't think so. I'm not seeing that right now. First look, anyway. But then again, maybe this sprue is different. Maybe this has got the odds and ends. Because this has got the two doggies on it, looks like, or at least one doggy. Maybe only one hound. Oh, look at that. He's got a birdie. Oh, yeah, that's right. The tracker has a bird. Okay. So, yeah, we will take a closer look at these sprues here in a moment. Here's the Navy. Navy have tons of bits. Lots of heads. Tons of heads. Holy moly. Only one shield, though. The other sprue had a shield? No, the other sprue didn't have a shield. Oh, man. And the multi-laser, he's got a multi-melted plasma gun. Yeah, we'll take a closer look at these sprues here in a moment. Very, very exciting. We get more terrain, more of the wall sections. Very, very cool. Another one, identical. Yeah. You know, like, obviously, the really big draw of this kind of terrain set is hopefully whenever they do release these individually, that, you know, anybody who wants to just add these into their Necromunda boards, Zone Mortalis, you know, whatever, right? Dark Uprising. They'd make great little additions, I'm sure. I wonder how well they line up. The speculation begins. Because I really love these big door sections. I really, really like those. They're such a neat touch. And the detail is just great. Yeah. All right. Little paper divider. Little Kill Team artwork on it. Is there anything on the back? Same thing on the back. Doesn't have the barcode on it. Whoopity-doo, right? All right, so rulebook. Holy moly. It's both the core rulebook and the Into Dark rules, as well as our instruction guide and the counters. We have, man, I'm running out of room here. We have our dice. We have all our bases. We have our 2 decks of cards for these kill teams, these operatives. And then, of course, we have the cardboard board section. Nice thick card. It is plastic wrapped As you can see, it's quite reflective. They're really thick. It seems like we get a lot of this from the Games Workshop these days, as far as like these box sets and stuff. We get this nice thick cardboard. I really kind of wish they did that for the Aeronautica releases. But yeah, that is it. So I'm going to switch cameras here, and we're going to take a slightly closer look at the sprues of the operatives. Okay, so let's have a closer look at these sprues. So this is the additional sprue for the Kroot. It looks like it has, looks like two. Oh yeah, there's two doggy sets, right? Yeah, because that's a dog, that's a dog. So this sprue has a lot of their little details. I love the little strange bow heavy gun that they have. The Kroot are just really, really exciting. But yeah, I was kind of hoping that this was something, a teaser to a future release of the Kroot, where basically we're getting new Kroot with the addition of like this, operative type sprue, but it doesn't look like it, unfortunately. Plenty of good bits on here though, for all you Kroot and Tau players out there. Any of you out there that love conversions and such. Yeah, a lot of fun stuff on this sprue. So that's the third sprue. So basically it's 3 sprues per gang, essentially, or warband or operative sprue, whatever you want to call these guys. Operatives, I guess, is the right word, right? Yeah, there's tons of bits. Hard to tell if there's a lot of different heads, just because the way they got them all parted out all over the place. I suspect most of these bits are per individual, depending upon which configuration you go for your kill team. You know, like there might be more rifles, just for anybody who wants to go just, small unit kind of combat, as opposed to going for the heavy weapons and the crazy shotguns and, all the craziness, right? For all you kill team enthusiasts, right? The heavy, the support, the medic, the dog, all those kinds of things, right? Yeah, so I suspect that this is really all individuals. Yeah, I was kind of really hoping that it was going to be a, scenario like the Void Scarred. The Imperial Navy, as we can see here. Yeah, like I said, tons of little heads on there. Let's see, get right in there. Oh yeah, look at that, all the little heads. And then there's even the helmeted heads as well. Helmeted heads over here. There's probably more heads elsewhere. Again, though, I was kind of curious about this sprue as well, because I wasn't sure if this was going to be like something like, the Space Marine Phobos, where we're going to get something else where this unit is going to get included. Where you are going to have Imperial Navy showing up in regular 40K, I have no idea, other than, scenarios and such. But I think this one here is a lot of fun because, we're getting a different aspect of the Imperium instead of just, Imperial Guard or Space Marines or Mechanicus, we're getting another branch of the Imperium. And I think that's always really, really exciting for modeling aspects and for opportunities for, really wild conversions, creating character, right? Like if you picked up this sprue, you could use this as part of an Inquisitor's retinue, right? Or something along those lines, a rogue trader, whatever, right? Like there's plenty and plenty of opportunities to incorporate these kinds of models into your existing forces for scenarios, for flavor, for whatever reason, or just get them for whatever they're designed for, right? Yeah, they're really, really cool. I like them. I like the straightforward design aspect of these models. They give you the sense of what they are about, as far as, being breachers and wandering around. Oh yeah, there's more helmets on this sprue here. Yeah, there's more helmets. Oh, I like the blank face. That's kind of cool. Yeah, these guys remind me of like the deep sea diver kind of guys. They got the heavy boots, they got that chest piece that goes around the helmet and everything like that. That's what they kind of give me, those kind of vibes, the deep sea diver kind of thing. Oh, there's more unhelmeted heads over here too. Jeez Louise, there's tons of heads in this box. You can use this for Imperial Guard or whatever, It's got the 2 different bots. I assume that one's a servitor and that one's the cat. Some shoot guns, pistolas, some swords. Yeah, it's basically, I think, just all the additional bits that, they were like, we'll have to make another sprue. But yeah, so hopefully you guys found this one interesting, somewhat entertaining, somewhat informative. And yeah, so big thank you to my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. You'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are various tiers of support. And a huge thank you to all my patrons for the continued support and all of the brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Or short. Or post. I'll see you out there. Not you, though. Well, maybe you.